Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the order of any of your playlists. For some reason, YouTube likes to put the newest added video at the bottom of your playlist rather than at the top, which can sometimes be really annoying, especially for your watch later playlist. So I'm going to show you how to do this on your phone and your PC, and it's super easy, so let's just get into it. Now that we're at the YouTube homepage, go to the top left corner and click this to open the menu and check out your playlists. Go to the playlist you'd like to sort. As you can see, there's 491 videos in this playlist, and it's really annoying because YouTube's automatically putting my oldest added videos at the top of this playlist, and I don't want to just remove these videos. So it's much easier to just click sort and date added newest. There's a couple other options going by published date and most popular, but I like date added newest because it puts the videos most recently added to the playlist at the top. Since this is my watch later playlist, I don't like to remove any videos because I like to be able to go back and see what my interests used to be and maybe even rediscover content creators that I'd forgotten about. If this were a different playlist, I might go over here and click remove watched videos in order to clean my playlist up. Now that we're at the home page of the YouTube app, we can go down to library, which is in the bottom right corner. From here, we can go to our watch later playlist or whatever other playlist we're trying to sort. And as you can see, it's already sorted from the tutorial I just did, but you can just click sort right here with your finger and go back to date oldest if you wanted to change it back. Or obviously you can put it to date newest. And again, if you wanted to remove the watched videos, you would go up to this top right corner and press remove watched videos. Well guys, I hope you liked that video and found it helpful. Please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe.